How to get clear mode on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to get clear mode on TikTok. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So TikTok has released a new feature that allows you to go into clear mode, which when enabled, makes some of the buttons and text disappear from the screen while watching videos. So to enable clear mode, what you need to do is tap the video and long press on it. As you can see, it brings up a new menu here and there's a clear mode option. So mine's currently grayed out, but if you tap on that clear mode option, some of the buttons here will disappear and it will make it easier for you to watch the video. If you want to exit out of clear mode, then just long press again and then there will be an option to exit. So tap on exit and the screen will return back to normal. And that's all it takes to get clear mode on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.